Hey everyone, today we're talking about the January 2026 Windows 11 update, KB5074109, and why it's causing black screen for NVIDIA GPU users, and how you can fix it quickly. What's the update? Microsoft released KB5074109 on January 13th, 2026, for Windows 11 versions 24H2 and 25H2. This update includes important security fixes, secure boot certificate updates, and battery drain improvements for NPU users, plus other quality enhancements. The problem: shortly after release, many users, especially with NVIDIA graphics cards, started experiencing random black screens. The system may freeze briefly before recovering, which is extremely frustrating. Why it happens? This seems to be an interaction between the new Windows Update and NVIDIA drivers. It's similar to previous issues, like the October 2025 update that caused gaming slowdowns until NVIDIA released a hotfix. Microsoft hasn't officially acknowledged this as a problem yet. How to fix it? Here's what you can do. Number 1. Update NVIDIA drivers. Open the NVIDIA app, go to the Drivers tab, download the latest update, and restart your PC. Number 2, uninstall the update. If the black screen started after installing KB5074109, you can remove it temporarily. Pro tip: always update your graphics drivers before installing major Windows updates. It can prevent these kinds of issues entirely. That's it. If you're facing black screens after KB5074109, follow these steps and you should be back to smooth performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Windows updates and fixes.